Hey guys, we'll chill this out right quick. Man, you know, as long as I've no traffic on the street. You know, I've been doing this for about 4 years now, and I still find it difficult to speak in front of a camera. I don't know why. It always happens. It's just strange like that. And Tenaj and I always have conversations about why I do that. I turn into like this different person as soon as we hit the record button. I don't know why, but that's always been a struggle. I knew this was gonna be kind of weird, trying to vlog with Tenaj not being here, to kind of like bounce off each other, because that's basically what we do. If you notice, if you've been watching us for a while, we basically just bounce off each other. But I find it different now because I have no one to bounce off of. This is difficult, so I get it's a challenge, and I've been doing it for so long. It's just, I don't know. But anyway, I don't know what to talk about this week, because really, you know, I've been inside all week just working on my classes, really focusing on that, and that's about it. And I thought about, what should I vlog about? What should I do? What should I say? Do I feel like going to do this? Do I feel like going to do that? I really don't. I really don't feel like going to do anything in the city. Just get into one of the modes that you're just like, I just want to just chill out, you know. And that's what I've been doing. I've just been chilling out, focusing on schoolwork, and that's it. Me and Tenaj, we talk daily. Yeah, we talk a lot. We talk like we could just be on the phone and then just doing independent stuff around the house, and her in the van, clearly. and just to be there, you know, the presence of each other's, knowing what we're doing constantly. That makes us, I don't know, that makes us feel good. I don't know where I'm going with this vlog. This is just so random, because this is why I don't vlog, because my shit just be random out of nowhere. And Tenaj would probably tell you, if she was next to me, like, what the fuck? Why are we talking about that? How do you get into that? I do miss my wife. I do miss Tenaj. But we're on the phone always, and I know her last video was one about safety, and yes, I basically know where she's at all times. Like we speak in the morning, speak at night. Basically just on the phone almost all day. It's been pretty cool to hear her stories, you know, and I do miss being there at times. I will say that. Yeah, I guess me just being, I don't know if it's weird, it's just, you know, I'm being very open right now, and I usually am not. I don't know what else to vlog about next week, guys, so if you definitely leave something in the comments about what you want to hear, I don't know, and I'll see if I get I'll see if the requests are doable. How about that? I don't know, in my mind, like in my mind, I'd be like, okay, this is what I'm gonna say, this is what I'm gonna say. Got it, bam, 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 bam. As soon as that button turns on, it ain't none of that there. It's all gone. I wonder if anybody else struggles like that. Anybody else that's out there that's vlogging. Y'all still struggle with that, like after all these years? I'm struggling like that, yeah. I was actually thinking about, I guess it's always my leading intro, and I guess what I was thinking about was I wanted to talk about how I miss my baby. Like, you know, I miss having somebody there. Like, we joke a lot on the phone, but like, you know, when we're around each other, we joke and hold each other and laugh, and like, it's just that woman brings.
We getting by me boys in the morning.
Daniel wants to buy me boys in the morning. I got this place in New Orleans that sells banh mi. No, we're gonna get hot sausage sandwich. Yeah, hot sausage sandwich. I'm gonna hook it up though. So that's what I miss. I miss my baby. I do miss her. Always together, so it's just funny when we're always just laughing, and then you're able just to like just hold each other when you're laughing. It's funny. It's cool.
I don't know what music that is, dude. Dude, Faustino, if you don't leave my legs in... Faustino, put my legs down, dude. I'm gonna kick the piss out of you. Move! See how ignorant this man is?
But yeah, that's how I feel with her being on her solo trip. With some feelings. I'm going with this. Of course, I was interrupted by Daniel. I'm gonna like let this flow for it to be like natural, because there might be some small edits, but I guess maybe this I can start vlogging more. I'm gonna end it here unless something else pops up in my head, and then I'll bring it back up, and then I won't end it here, because that can happen. I've done that like a million times. So this is what goes on in my head. Just be all over the place. So if you like it, go ahead and comment below, and this could be, Daniel wants me to call it story time or something. I want to tell you my stories, tell you our stories. I don't know if I could do that, if I could tell stories. It's better when, like, you know, we're both here to tell it. But I guess this is just in the mind of Faustino today. I guess that'll be the vlog. In the mind of Faustino. So if you like it, leave a comment below. I'll do a couple more of these. If not, I don't know what else to do. Just tell me what you want to talk about, what you want to see. Not too much though, because I don't like going in the city. You gotta understand that going into the city of New Orleans is like, it's drama down there. I don't want to go around the drama, you know.
Get out, this is some shocking video of a shooting in broad daylight on a busy New Orleans street. It happened just before 4 yesterday on Elysian Fields near Gentilly Boulevard. It was happening at the same time that city leaders were meeting to talk about how to stop the violence. So
I just like to just chill out, mind my business, but I don't really want to go down into the scenery. But let me know what you want to see next time. I'll talk about. All right then.